I love Mega Man. Mega Man is a video game franchise created by Capcom. It's had over a dozen main games, entire spin-off franchises that have had multiple games, and has been adapted into animated series and comics a few times. You play as Mega Man, a robot warrior created by Dr. Light, as you jump and shoot your way across various theme levels to stop a variety of robotic threats. Mega Man X was one of those games I played as a kid. It has always been one of my favorite games. It's difficult, but it's always felt fair. Since then, I've played a lot of the games in the Classic and X series and have watched stuff from Battle Network and Star Force. The good Mega Man games use its level design to teach you about the gameplay. It got indulgent later on, but the first wave of games didn't have tutorials or cutscenes that interrupted your fun. The story was kept pretty simple. It's just a series of levels where you go to a place and fight the robots. But there's a bit more beneath the surface. These aren't just killer robots. They're blue-collar working robots, and Mega Man is basically beating them up when they refuse to go to work. Kinda messed up when you think about it. Each level is also unique and built around a theme. This way they can keep each level around the same difficulty, encouraging you to experiment with level order. Because the level select screen is another novelty feature present in these games that hadn't really been done before. The music is also the epitome of bit metal. It's one of the few game franchises where I'll just throw on random stage themes while I'm working on other stuff. The various themes, concepts, and mechanics on the gameplay side of things do a lot to pick up any slack created by the paper-thin plot. And its airtight controls put it over the top as one of the best franchises ever. And that's why I love Mega Man.